Hey guys, it's Karen, and today I'm going to be opening a yummy keycap from Kidrobot. They're the ones you can collect. But we actually just got back from a trip, and we found these at Barnes & Noble. So here it is. My first one of these. And so, here are the ones you can collect. Sorry, it's not focusing, guys. But there's a brief few unfocused of ones you can collect. And I think I got the egg, the strawberry, or this little bitten cookie right there. Just by feeling the pack. So let me try to set this up. No, I can't do that. Alright, anyway. Let me try. Oh, there we go. I gotta kind of set up the components. See who we've got in here. Hold on. I think I can set this up so you guys can still. There we go. With my feet. Right? And these will go on my, and this will go on my little set of feet. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we have the little bitten cookie. He's pretty cute. And then this part right here. Yeah. Goes in your keys. Right there. Oh, it's very windy. Oops. And then there's a little keychain. So here he is. It's a cookie. And he got a bite out of him, so he's crying. And the back it just says Kidrobot. Here he is. They're super cute. There were only a few of them at the store, so they were very hard to find even at the store. They don't really have rare rarities or anything. But there we go. Here he is, Cookie Keycap. And I will show you guys a picture at the end of this of what she looks like on the key, maybe, but I don't know. Here she is. Thanks for watching. Bye.